A very good morning to everyone. Children, today we are going to do Class 5, Lesson 7, Internet Services. So first of all, what is the meaning of Internet? Internet is a global computer network consisting of millions of interconnected networks, providing a wide range of information and communication facilities. Internet services allow us to access huge amount of information such as text, graphics, sound and software over internet. So children, what is internet? Internet means interconnected network. So worldwide millions of computers are connected together through internet. So it is the medium for communication, research and exchange of information. In present days, you all are very familiar with the use of internet. Even a small child knows how to use internet. At a press of a button, one gets everything what they want. If anybody wants to search for any information, they just have to type the topic and at the press of the button, they get a detailed information of anything that they want. Buying goods is that now there's no trouble of going to the shop. One can just do online shopping by sitting at their home. They can see millions of products and they can choose as per their choice. And the product will be at their doorstep. And the best use of internet is that which we are doing now. In this pandemic situation, when nobody is allowed to step out of the house, we are communicating with each other. How? With the use of internet. We are teaching you, you are giving exams, everything is done with the help of internet. So internet has reduced distance. So now distance is no longer a barrier. People living in one place can contact, can even see a person living very far away through voice call, video call. So communication has become very fast with the use of internet. People, they can send emails, they can chat. Nowadays many applications are made to make communication easier and faster. The next we come connecting to the internet. So how can we get connected to internet? So I told you internet is the largest network. It is network of networks. Here computers are connected locally, regionally, nationally and even internationally. Okay, so the four main ways by which computer can be connected to internet are, first of all, dial-up connection by using telephone wire. Then next is a digital subscriber line, DSL. Then next is cable TV connection and then last is a satellite connection. So the first thing that we need in order to get access to internet is that we have to register with an internet service provider and then we have to open an account. Like see, we all are using Google. So first of all, we have a Google account. Now depending upon the type of service that we want, we are using a device called modem and telephone line. Nowadays, broadband services are also very common. Broadband gives us a very high speed and it is a wireless communication. It does not require any telephone line to be engaged while using internet. Then next comes requirement for connecting to the internet. So what are the requirements that we need to get connected to internet? So the first thing that we need is a computer. So first of all, we should have a computer, and apart from computer, the other requirements are: first is modem, second is telephone line, and third is internet service provider. So modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. So modulator demodulator is the full form of modem. And this device, it facilitates the communication between computer through telephone lines and cable line. Okay, so modem, it relays information from computer and internet. So it does this by converting the digital signal into analog signal and analog signal to digital signal. Okay, so for this, modem has to be installed at both the sides, sender side also, receiver side also. So when it is at sender side, it is converting digital signal into an analog signal, and at the receiver end, it demodulates the analog signal into a computer signal. Next is types of modem. So modem are of two types. First is internal modem. It is present inside the computer. It is installed in the computer in the form of a card. You can see this. This is the example of an internal modem. The external modem, it is placed outside the CPU. It is in the form of a box and it is connected to a serial port, and it requires connecting cable and power connection. So this is the image of an external modem. The speed of a modem is measured in kbps. The full form of kbps is kilobits per second. So a modem can have maximum speed of 56 kbps. Then telephone line. So see, for connection we need wires. So telephone lines are used to transfer signal across the network. So as telephone lines can only carry analog signal, so the digital signals produced by the computer are first converted to analog by the attached modem. So the information we send and receive over the internet, it travels through telephone cables. The next is integrated service digital network line. Okay, so the data traveled through this, it is 2 to 4 times faster than done through any modem. So generally, some telephone companies, they offer this ISDN line to connect to the internet. You can see here the network is shown, how it is connected. The next is internet service provider. So it is an organization that provides a connection to the internet for fee. Okay, so they give the facility for connecting to internet. So some companies, the internet, they charge the use of internet for some money. Okay, like we use no Airtel, Reliance, BSNL, Jio. So we pay the money and we get the internet facility for the tenure that we are using. I hope the chapter is clear till here.